Basically, I've been admitted to IELTS plus basic. It's been 3 months till I'm in English fantasy, and almost 1 month up to my IELTS journey after completing my basic from English fantasy. Which I have to say, from the start, our teachers, our mentors were amazing, guiding us for our IELTS examination. And also, after completing my basic, when I came here, I was a bit scared. I was a bit scared about how I would cope with my IELTS examination, IELTS preparation. But after coming here, with the help of our teachers and also our teachers who also always are available for us in the teachers' room whenever we need, they are always helping us if we have any problems with any types of modules. That's why our teachers are doing really great for us, and we are doing great as well for our IELTS. I think that after coming here, I have developed a bit more than before. I was a fluent speaker even before I came here, but after coming here, I can see that I have changed a lot because I didn't have the confidence to speak in front of anyone or anybody, or maybe a single talk or self to self talk. I was always scared that maybe someone will think something else and my speaking will not be good enough. But after I came here, I have gained the confidence to speak. I've gained the confidence to speak face to face and also in front of people. And that's why I can say that English Fantasy is one of the greatest place to learn English for beginners and also for the IELTS candidates, because they have the great teachers and coaches who would always lead us for how to get a great band score. Some people might think that English is like a great or maybe a really tough language to learn. But if you come to English Fantasy, our teachers and our mentors who try to guide us from the basic to advanced, they always give you the guideline to learn things without thinking that maybe it will be too hard for me, I won't understand it, or I won't be able to comply with our teachings or our teachers, and we won't be able to learn things because you don't know the basic. But when you come here, it will be more easier day by day as you try to learn. And also after coming to IELTS, it will be a bit tough at starting, but when you understand the basics of IELTS will become really easy for you in English Fantasy, because our teachers always try to make it easier for us rather than some other teachers who always make it look a bit harder, and they keep saying that IELTS is hard, IELTS is hard. But IELTS is not that much hard if you understand, and if you get the demo of how IELTS exam will handle, it will be even easier for you.